As you can see, some templates have a lot of integrations, but you can delete any you don't plan on using afterward. The same thing goes for the number of widgets, as that number is also flexible since you can add more or delete unnecessary ones. For the purpose of this video, we will be going through our general website traffic report. After we've built our dashboard from the template, now we should connect the integrations or data sources in the dashboard itself. You do that by clicking on the plus button and going through the OAuth process for each of the separate integrations you want to use. After we've connected our email address with Reportz that contains Google Analytics properties, we have to choose the connected email address, the website, and its view. For our example, we will be connecting Reportz's outdated Google Analytics properties. After we've selected everything, we just have to click on Update, and all of the widgets that are showing the data from Google Analytics will be automatically updated with fresh data. Let's scroll down a bit more and find the widgets from Google Search Console. The process of connecting Google Search Console is the same as it is for Google Analytics. We will complete the required steps and select again Reportz' website property so we can get a glimpse of our data from Google Search Console. If you do not have a Google Search Console account, you can easily delete these widgets from your dashboard. After connecting our sources, we'll move on to the reporting mode of the dashboard. In the reporting mode, you will be able to see how your dashboard will look like when your client sees it. Whenever you create a dashboard from the templates, the standard date range is last 30 days by default. You can change that here on this nifty date range selector. At the moment, I'll select last month and click on Apply, but you can customize this date range to be however you want it. In the upper right corner of your dashboard, you have the Share button. The Share button contains 3 different ways of sharing your dashboard. You can share your dashboard with the live link by copying the dashboard URL. You can download the PDF version of your dashboard, or you can set the dashboard to be automatically emailed to you or your clients with the PDF attached and the live link. And there you have it. Your first website traffic report is completed. If you have any questions, reach out to us over the live chat. I'd be happy to assist you in creating your first. Peace out.